stieňovať. Hovorím, že čo to je, more?
Karate-like stance, front kicks coming in to pushing his midsection and immediately opening up.
Conor looking so settled already.
Videl som na ňo, že v očiach na ňo som videl, že on chce, že nemám na ňo. A prišiel ten úder.
A bit of a stern test if, wow.
That's something that I've never seen before.
Ja som už čakal, že nech už je koniec. A potom som sa zobudil, že je koniec.
Cook from McGregor as Bushinger surges in.
Bushinger's walking onto the punch. That's what created it. And that left is getting through. It's like a piston spearing through the Dublin Air straight onto the chin of Ivan Bushinger. And it's having a home repeatedly. How very tough is Bushinger? McGregor with a huge shot.
Wow!
Bushinger's completely out of it.